Whoa, that's a sick ass convertible. What's up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. Alright, so I'm rocking my Volvo Drift Pilsner shirt, so you know some Volvo drifts are gonna go down. Unfortunately, I was too late to the sign up and I did not get into this event. We're going up to Penticton today. I'm just gonna be watching. We got some Volvo drifts happening though. My good friend Cody Ross with his Burgundy 740 Turbo automatic. It's more or less his daily driver. He's going to be competing in the round 1 competition up at Penticton today. There may be some other Volvos, lots of other cool cars. So I'm basically going to cruise up in my convertible on this decent day. I'm going to be coming back pretty late, so I brought my jacket. We're going to be going through some mountain passes, and it's definitely not going to be warm, to say the least. But yeah, so it should be a pretty fun day. I'm going to cruise up there in the convertible, and we're going to watch Cody take out some other cars, hopefully in his automatic Turbo 740. So it's basically just a stock daily driver with the welded diff and some angle knuckles and stuff like that, right? So it'll be cool. Cody is an amazing driver. The guys compete in Formula D Pro-Am and his other car and stuff like that. So it'll be cool to watch and see how he stacks up against you know, SR20, 300 horse, S13s, Skylines, that kind of thing, in a pretty much bone stock 740. So this will give you guys that are hoping to drift your automatic 740s some hope, that's for sure. All right, so we're gonna get on the road, and I'll see you guys when I'm up there. Hopefully this old girl makes it. All right, I'm just making my way through Hope here, and this is kind of cool. Seems like a Corvair festival or something, because all I see is Corvairs. It's a pretty rare car. That blue one's really sweet, actually. Kind of like a resto mod. It's got Trans Am wheels on it. We're up in the mountain pass right now. I had to wear a toque and a full jacket because it's pretty cold. As you can see, there's still some snow left from the winter.
Looking good so far. Oh, that's a decent run there.
Nice run by Blake.
Blake Stewart laying down another solid run.
Alright guys, so I just got to the track here. They actually just started qualifying. I'm a little bit late because there's a detour on the highway. So we just got here in time for qualifying, which is super dope. So I guess they're going for 2 clipping points here. One on the wall here, and one on that wall over there. Okay, Cody hasn't even gone yet. Let's see what he can do. He's got a nice dent in his door.
With a decent clean run.
Alright, here goes Nick. You guys remember Nick from that one episode?
Super wide line.
I actually got to drive his car.
Carrying decent speed. A little short on the exit, but not bad. Nick Oliveira, not bad run.
Right on, Nick. This is pretty exciting. Oh, that was a nice drive up in the convertible. Yeah. I'm super glad I got to get here for qualifying.
He's not shy though, getting to it. Decent proximity. Just finished putting this car together this morning. Oh, look at that. Almost does a wall tap on the exit. Not a bad run from Eric Miller. Good proximity there, right in the zone. That was a decent run for Dan Tomlinson. Decent proximities all the way around from where I'm sitting.
It's a 1UZ RX-7.
Mike Perry doing his next round. Always a fun guy to watch. Nice run there. Good solid line. Getting off the gas, on the gas before the corner. Perfect. Good solid run.
There we go. Alright. See what Cody Ross can do. I can't even hear that thing. It's got a big muffler on it.
Coming in hot in the Volvo.
Automatic.
Ooh, good proximity to the wall.
So that'd be first gear.
Carrying it through, nice. Good proximity on the exit. Nice run from Cody Ross on the Volvo.
All right, so this is the man Cody Ross here.
Hello.
He's driving this. It doesn't really have much done to it. It's pretty straightforward, just some chassis stuff. How many PSIs? Like around 12?
I have no idea.
It's whatever.
It's in the mid-yellow portion of the boost.
Okay, yeah. Mid-yellow portion of the boost gauge, so you know, around 10 pounds or so, something like that.
Climbing up 17 degrees.
Did you? Run some 94 octane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope it gets a pony or two. Sweet. So I'm definitely excited to see Cody take out some Nissans and stuff in the automatic Volvo. Now he's on the spot. It's a good car. Blake Stewart. Nice run, boys. That's a V8 M3 versus Blake Stewart in the RB25.
Oh yeah, good.
All right, so I think S14 is gonna follow now. Yeah. Damn. That's unlike Cody Ross. This, but he now has dual fucking smokestacks on that thing. That's the exhaust. Super sick. Alright guys, so this is Clint over here. He's from the Half Decent team. So this is his 240 truck. 240 truck, yeah.
Truck, yeah.
Fuck yeah, man. So this exhaust setup, I saw it out on the track. I'm like, what is that? Is that like a rack or something? But he has dual stacks. It's like, that is really cool. I've never seen that on a 240 truck. That's fucking rad, dude.
Somewhat original.
Yeah, no, that's killer. Yeah, so Clint here just won the event. Congrats to Clint. Yeah, good driving out there. I guess it's just open track now, so I'm gonna go hop in some ride-alongs with some people. Alright guys, so my good friend Evan here is gonna let me take his 240 for a rip. So it's just basically a stock B230 FT, stock boost, pretty straightforward, no knuckles, no coilovers. It's a really simple setup. I don't know how well I'll do, no promises, but we'll see how it goes.
Alright, send it, man.
Holy fuck.
You do, homie, you're good.
Oh, the 240, so strange. I know due to faulty. Oh, whoops. Oh, so it's factory e-brake also. And no angle mods, right?
No angle mods.
Alright, 240 life. Yeah, these definitely feel a little different than 740s. I do not want to go with Cody. Oh, it's got power.
It's alright, eh?
gotta get used to that hydro.
Get used to it, man. You got all the time in the world.
It definitely, okay, yeah, this thing drifts good though.
Decent, eh?
It just needs some flop reduction.
It's a little sloppy.
It's super
like
fucking floppy.
man.
Yeah. It's so funny, man, because my whole, like, I've always had the e-brake down here, so I'm like, where the fuck is this? Yeah. Alright. Volvo 240 drift. Right on. Fuck yeah, dude.
Is that what that was?
What's up?
Left foot brake?
No. Right on. This thing drifts. 40.
Absolutely. You can get right up wherever you feel comfortable and you want to slap that wall, slap that wall.
Oh fuck.
Unreal, you just hop in and fucking nothing. Oh man.
What's that? I'll do one more.
Yeah, man. Fly out of it.
Oh man, that's awesome. So this is what happens when you wall tap a 740 a little bit too hard. You get a trunk gap and no trunk gap on that side. So Cody's gonna go out and he'll probably give it a tap on this side. It should be back to normal. Oh shit, dude. That's unreal. Oh, fuck. Sweet. That is how it's done in the automatic. Oh fuck! Shit!
That was fucking rowdy. How did it not get?
Okay, all that smoke there is from Cody's Volvo. I think he blew a turbo. What do you think, Devin? It looks kind of blue or white? A little blue, eh? Yeah. Car is really dope. Alright guys, so that's a wrap up of today. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Definitely worth the cruise up in the convertible in this. And actually it's not a convertible, it's a converted. So that's what we'll leave it at. Yeah, no, a lot of fun. Good ride-alongs with Cody in the 740 for an automatic car, so you guys can get an automatic, you know, do a couple mods to it, up the boost, and with good suspension you can still drift one perfectly fine, as that was shown in the video today. Congratulations to Clint for winning the round one competition. He did really well out there. That was a couple sick runs that he had there. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna bomb the beater back home. God. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cold. On the way up here, it's a 3.5 hour drive and you go through 2 mountain passes. So I'm gonna put on my Volvo, oh, what's that? Drifts and Lifts Volvo Drift Pilsner hoodie, and it'll keep me warm along with this flannel jacket, and we should get home safely. So until next time guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for Volvo mayonnaise. Peace out.